In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat Director mode if it's not working for you. Whether it's not opening, features are glitchy, or it's just not available, I'll walk you through some steps to get it up and running again. So let's get into it. So to open the director mode, go to the arrow and then director mode. But if it's not working for you, there are a few things you can do. First, you can check if your Snapchat is up to date, because director mode is a newer feature. So if you're using an older version of Snapchat, it might not be available yet. So be sure to update the app on iPhone by going to the App Store and on Android by going to the Play Store. Now, it's also possible that your device is not compatible with Snapchat Director mode, because Snapchat Director mode is only available on certain devices. Make sure your phone model supports the feature. If you're using an older phone, this might be the reason why Director mode isn't showing up. So maybe get a new phone. It's also possible that you need to clear your Snapchat cache, because sometimes clearing the cache can fix issues with the app. Here is how you do that. You open a Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left to access your profile. Then you tap the gear icon to go into settings. Then you scroll down to account actions and tap on clear cache, and then you confirm, because this clears temporary data that might be causing glitches, but it won't delete any of your snaps or chats. And there's another way you can also try reinstalling Snapchat, so deleting it and then installing it again, because if director's mode still isn't working, installing and reinstalling Snapchat might work. This can fix bugs or glitches that may have occurred during the installation. And there's also it's also possible that you have a problem with your internet connection, so you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. Director mode requires a strong connection for some of its advanced features. If your Wi-Fi is weak, switch to mobile data or try another network. Now, if none of these steps work, your last option is to contact Snapchat support. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on I need help. From there, follow the prompts and report your issue with director mode. That's it. I hope this helped you solve your Snapchat director mode issues. If you have any other questions or need more help, drop a comment down below. I'll be sure to respond to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.